Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to add more than 30 stocks to your TradingView watch list in 2026. Now, first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com, then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, click on the option of products in order to launch the chart in front of you. Now, once the chart is launched successfully, simply hover over to the right hand section, then click on the option of screeners. Over here in the markets, you can select the stock market of any of the currencies which you like to see the stocks of. Now, as you can see in the markets, I have selected US markets and it is going to show me all of the basically symbols of the stocks that are available here. You can use the options or the filters that are available here in order to make changes into this list. Now over here, as I've told you earlier, you can only add 30 stocks here in your TradingView watch list in 2026 with your free plan. So if you want to add more than 30 stocks, for example, let's say you can see we have a lot of stocks available here. Simply right click on it, then hover over to the add selected to watch list, then click on the option of watch list. Now as soon as you click on the option of watch list, it will show that with basic plan you can only add 30 stocks, and for adding more than 30 stocks you need to subscribe to their premium plan, and with their premium plan you will be able to add up to 1000 plus stocks or currencies into the watch list. So here when you click on the option of the free trial, you just have to confirm the subscription and then you just have to subscribe for it. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing the TradingView subscription, now is the time for you to do it, because currently you will get the 80% off discounts on all of the TradingView subscriptions here, plus 1 month additional. So if you are interested, you can just check out the link of this deal down in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials. Thanks for watching.